Hello, I'm Jesse Miles with the Miles Group at Keller Williams, and today I'm going to answer the question about how much time does it take to close on a home. Most homeowners can prepare to close around 30 days after an accepted offer. The buyer usually initiates the process by submitting a formal offer to the seller. Now, depending on the type of mortgage, the home may need to be appraised or inspected or worked on before the mortgage company will finalize the purchase. These things need to be scheduled and completed, which is why closing faster than 30 days can be challenging. The mortgage company will also need to gather all financial documents from the buyer and evaluate their ability to pay back the loan and finalize the loan. So buying in cash can often make the process faster, but it's still a good idea to get an appraisal or an inspection done. While it's not required, an experienced home buyer will tell you that getting these things completed is worth the extra time and expense. If the buyer or seller wants to close later than 30 days, that's also possible by negotiations. But typically, it takes about 30 days to close on a home. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me on the information below.